In 2017, eWATER worked with the Frontier Tech Hub to install the smart taps in rural locations in Tanzania. eWATER has already implemented smart tap in the Gambia and Ghana. But with the grant from UK Aid, the product was improved and made fit for the purpose in Tanzania to make sure it worked for the community here.
Kabla ya maji ya eWATER, tulikuwa tunatumia haya maji ya korongo ya bomba ya mlinde, hayana usalama. Isipokuwa haya ni mazuri kuliko, maana yanawekewa dawa tunatumia.
The problem is, I would like to think, really simple to understand. 1 billion people in the world didn't have and still don't have access to clean water. The government agencies and NGOs out there that were trying to fix this problem over the last 25, 30 years have been doing it by rolling out water infrastructure, but they have failed to make those water systems sustainable. About 40% of all water systems failed within 2 years of those organizations installing them in developing countries. And so that was the problem that we came together to try to solve. How can we make these water systems continue to work every single day and work 24 hours a day without failing anytime in the future?
The thing that is so frontier about this project is how all the different technologies work together. Solar power pumps the water. People put credit on their tags using NFC and mobile money. The tag let people pay for the water. Sensor inside the tap track water supply, connectivity, and faults in the system. The data from the sensor is transmitted using the Internet of Things. Then I can see it on my dashboard. The local authority can see it, the government can see it. The data we can see views the whole picture.
The sensors themselves and the RFID itself would have created a product, and that product would have been fine. It's the Internet of Things connecting the taps to one another and making it like a financial system that actually turned it into a game-changing proposition.
Before the smart taps were being installed, we were using the standing pipe. The villagers, they had several reasons and problems they were facing before the smart taps were installed.
Tunakuwa tunahitaji maji kila wakati kwa sababu matumizi yanakuwa, kila mtu ana matumizi yake tofauti. Kwa maana hiyo mimi naweza nikawa nahitaji maji asubuhi, mwingine akahitaji mchana. Ndio maana tunahitaji maji masaa 24 yawepo.
Changamoto kubwa ambayo ilikuwa naipata sana kwenye kituo ni wateja kutolipa hela kwa wakati. Mara nyingine mtu anakuja kuchota ndoo 10 anakuambia nimekuja na 8.
Inabidi tupokee mradi ili kutusaidia kwenye maisha yetu, maana kila mara tunakutana na changamoto nyingi sana ya maji. Mara huko korongoni, korongo limejaa, hakuna maji.
In a weird way, I think like that Internet of Things component creates a lot of quantitative data that allows us to ask qualitative questions that inform our next phase innovations in their own right.
There are a lot of ways on which the eWATER smart taps have improved people's life.